That we might be onto something. We can't make $10 a month off here, but I bet at feetfinder.com singing feet, we're going to do it. Hey, everyone, I'm Jason Catron.
I'm Katie Talbot.
And we are Vocal Lab Collective. Hey, this is a new day. Look.
It's a completely new day.
We have, you also just drooled from your mouth. Like,
Oh my gosh, did I really?
You did.
Oh
You
my
took
gosh,
a drink and started to talk and it just like fell out. This is the first time we've had different drinks.
I know. I think you guys should tell us what y'all like best. Do you like it when we drink wine, or do you like when we drink Moscow mules? Or who do you like better?
Stop.
I'm kidding.
No, you're going to win that race.
No,
look
I don't know.
how fabulous. I mean, look at you. Look at this. Look at all this. I actually want that. I want to wear that. Actually,
well,
Katie, give it to me. I feel more regal. Now I'm in charge.
well, that was awkward.
What, that I'm wearing this?
Yeah.
Maybe it's my new
Like,
look.
how did you just, how?
Well, I have special powers, especially with your
You
voices.
never told me that you learned, like, magic tricks.
With their voices. Yeah, I make magic happen with people's voices. You know this.
Well, I know that.
That's why you all should call us. Let us work with you and your voices.
Also,
Hit that subscribe button.
button.
Wah, wah. I can't make that
Follow
noise.
us.
Yeah, that thing. Kelly
Follow
Clarkson
us
did
on
it so well.
Facebook, Instagram,
TikTok.
TikTok, and Patreon.
Yes, and anything else that we might be a part of.
Yeah. As a vocal coach and vocal producer, I need a ton of things on the go for myself and my clients. And thanks to our team over at Brevity for sending this incredible backpack.
Not only is it super functional and hold everything you need, it's incredibly stylish. I love it. It's also water resistant, which will protect that computer that you need. Also the microphones. It'll hold anything from your Navage to even Katie's bottle of wine. And guess what? It has a lifetime warranty, which will protect you for all those hard days on the road or just lugging around town and to the beach.
So click the link below to visit brevity.co/vocallabcollective and get yours today.
Someone told me the other day when I was at the beach on this, I just got back from the Bahamas on this beach trip.
Yes, you
and
did.
we were making these jokes about feetfinder.com or whatever it is.
Feet Finder.
Yeah, all these people make thousands of dollars with their feet because people are obsessed with feet.
I have seen that, and that blows my mind.
I'm like, I might show my feet for
I mean,
money.
I'll get my toenails done.
Right. So
Yeah.
maybe we should have a feet finder.
Of ours next to each other? Yeah. Male.
And we just sing songs with our feet. That we might be onto something. We can't make $10 a month off here, but I bet at feetfinder.com singing feet, we're going to do it. Hey, what are we doing today?
Carlos is looking.
I know
at us
Carlos is like in the
No.
behind the scenes, like I really have to like quit and find new people to hang
Okay,
out
so
with.
we're going back into the fourth impact
But also
world.
Carlos is Puerto Rican and really likes feet.
Carlos, do you like feet?
I mean, I don't want them to be crusty and disgusting.
Oh, I hate the word crusty.
Whoa.
What words do y'all hate? Because I hate crusty.
Hey, yeah.
Here's the thing.
If
I already
y'all
said
don't
it.
got good feet, like get them taken care
Oh
of.
my gosh.
No, you
Here we go.
should.
We are going back into the fourth impact.
Fourth
world.
Impact. Here we go.
So, what are we watching?
Fourth Impact girls were some of our first
I was literally about
international
to say
discoveries, right?
Yes,
Like we
yes.
were turned on to them.
that. They even
early
wrote
on.
us. Didn't
Yeah, they
email us?
did.
Or they commented below.
One of the girls commented, followed us, and then there was someone on their team that reached out to us. Like we should really. We should
would
do
love
something
to
with
have
Fourth
them on.
Impact.
should
We
do
would
a-
love to work
we
with you
should do a
guys.
live
Yeah,
share.
a live thing would be really cool.
Yeah.
Right? Where we just maybe live react to one of their I think they do concerts every Sunday night.
Okay.
It's kind of their thing.
Yeah.
All their fans
I'm distracted.
are part of it. You should be because this is fancy.
Mm-hmm.
And we should like do a live reaction to one
I
of their
would
things.
love that. You guys want it? We
Let
want
them
it.
know.
Let them know.
Let them know. We're gonna do it. But let's watch this
What are we
video right now.
watching?
We're gonna watch. Here we go. Oh, it's their new song. It's their new song, Katie. Here we go. I'm excited about this.
Oh.
I mean,
Hello,
come
baby.
on. Look at it. Ooh, I like their logo. Look. I could be one of them.
Stop, lady.
You are so ready.
Stop, lady.
You should be in this group.
Okay, Beyonce.
And Christina.
Yes.
Those harmonies are so sick.
Yeah. Family harmonies are, it's just insane. It's a whole.
Yeah, that's cool.
Yes, it is.
Yeah, it is, girls. Can't deny ya.
I like her split.
Yeah.
Pink and red.
Yeah.
Pink and white.
That's
Making Bianca.
huh?
Moulin Rouge.
Yeah, that's what I was gonna say. That Whistletone.
That wasn't a track? That was whistle.
I thought it was Whistletone. That's Whistletone.
Yeah. Wow.
That's why I'm a better coach than you. Kidding.
Holy cow. Okay. Few things.
Look at that ending, those lights, that color, all
Like, literally-
the logo. Come on, girls.
Literally takes me back to Moulin Rouge.
Yes.
And so there's a lot more sex appeal happening here, right?
Yeah, than what we were used to.
However, sometimes when sex appeal comes into the imagery of the artist, the talent and the gift gets left behind.
Right.
They have leveled up just as much with the talent and their gift and voices as they have with the sex appeal. So I'm very happy to see that not leave and them lean only into the sex appeal.
No, totally. That's a really valid point.
Yeah.
For me, this was everything because yes, you get crazy vocals. You get
Yeah.
all four of them with their own special gifts,
Yeah.
from whistle tones to depth to pure to edge. Like it's all in there, right? You also got a video that is full of color.
Mm-hmm.
It has water. It has light. It has glamour. It has pretty.
Do you think it's Earth, Wind, Fire?
That's a great like band from the 60s, 70s.
Very great band.
But I mean, it's as if they sat down in a meeting with their team or just together and was like, how do we
Visualize all of it together.
everything and put it into one?
Yep.
Right? All the while recalling things of the past that have been really successful.
Yeah.
You know, comparison, a lot of people don't like comparison. Comparison's really great because if someone compares you to someone who's been really successful before,
Yeah.
that means you're in the right path.
Right.
Right? And we all have like influences.
Do you have a
But
another
also
comparison here?
No.
Oh.
But also, I've heard many people say over time, find something that someone's doing really well at a high level and replicate it in your
Yeah.
own way, right?
Yeah.
Because there's nothing new under the sun. This kind of took everything under the sun that we love about music and singers and video and fashion and lighting and color, and we threw it all in there.
And you know,
I'm overwhelmed.
I love
I'm
that they
overwhelmed.
shout out their culture.
Yo, that was
Like
cool
no
too.
one's doing it like I forget what the line was exactly.
It was like I am FIL.
Yeah.
It's spelled out Filipino.
Yeah.
Or Filipina, I think. I started to point that out too. It's really cool that they did English and their language.
Yes.
That's cool.
I'm sorry, but that's a boss ass move.
So
Like-
boss. And I tell everyone that I work with that's from another country that's not English speaking, embrace your first language first. Work in English as you want to and need
Yeah.
to.
Yeah.
But you will never be better as a singer than at your first language.
Right, right.
Right? And it is tricky to like work
And
English
it helps
into
you
a song.
find your voice too, because where things sit naturally in your mouth, depending on the dialect of where you're from,
Yeah.
is only going to help your sound be more tailored to you.
Totally. Plus, also just be really proud of where you're from.
Yeah.
You know?
Holy cow, yeah.
Yeah.
Are you kidding me?
Yeah, that's like
Oh,
so
yeah.
important.
We are who we can.
Listen, Fourth Impact Girls, this was next level fantastic. Like everything about it.
Yes.
My eyes, my ears, my heart, my everything was
If y'all
like
ever
was
want
on next level.
Vocally, y'all are incredible. So Fourth Impact, if you ever need help with longevity and
I also love their logo.
balance, like let us know. We will be here for you. But if you need anyone to just be like a Fifth Impact dancer,
Fourth.
just no.
You've already
I'll be
thrown
the
yourself.
fifth.
Oh,
I'll be the fifth.
I see what you did there.
Yeah.
Smooth, girl.
Fifth
Smooth.
Impact dancer.
I mean,
I don't
you
know
already
what to
got-
sing with y'all.
You already got the bling. Well, I took a lot of it, but you know.
I noticed that. You can take my jacket next.
Maybe.
Oh my.
Yeah.
Anyways, I'm up for the dancing, okay?
Yeah.
But in the meantime, I'm Katie Talbot,
I'm Jason Catron.
and we are
Vocal Lab Collective.